Okay, 53. 53 is a little bit similar. I know that 16 is 4 to the second. That says 4 to the second raised to the x plus 4 to the 1 times 4 to the x minus 3 equals 0. That says 4 to x plus 4 times 4 to the x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, this is equation quadratic in front, and the substitution is u equals 4x. This is u squared plus 4u minus 3 equals to 0. This equation is not factorial equation. No. You must solve it by quadratic formula. A, B, and C. Okay, A is 1, B is 4, and C is negative 3. It's minus 4 plus or minus the square root. 4 squared is 16, minus 4. Multiplication by 1 is 1. Multiplication by negative 3. Divide the whole thing by 2 times 1 is 2, just 2. 16 plus 12 is 28. And the square root 28 is 4 and 7, is 2 radical 7. So far we have minus 4 plus or minus 2 radical 7 over 2. Okay, if you divide by 2 everything, you have minus 2 plus or minus radical 7. So we have two solutions. We have two values of u. U is equal minus 2 plus radical 7, and u equal minus 2 minus radical 7. Entonces now u, who is u? U is 4 raised to the x is equal minus 2 plus radical 7, and likewise this is 4 to the x is equal minus 2 minus radical 7. This part no have no solution because it's negative. And this, yes. This you expect solution, and the solution is you apply logarithm both sides. Pero logaritmo base 4 of the 4x is equal logaritmo base 4 minus 2 plus radical 7. This is just x is equal logaritmo base 4 minus 2 plus radical 7. Okay, and this is the exact answer. And the approximate answer using the calculator, of course you're using a standard logarithm, no base 4. You're using, for example, common logarithm of minus 2 plus radical 7 over logarithm of 4. Let me put in the calculator. The calculator is logarithm of minus 2 plus square root 7 double parenthesis divided by logarithm of 4 close the parenthesis. The answer is negative 0.315. This is approximate answer. The answer is approximate negative 0.315. This is the approximate answer. Let me check again with the calculator. Oh yes, it's negative. It's negative 0.315. Good. Perfect. Okay, now let's go then to the next. Okay, next is the 55 equation. Okay, 55. Es similar, I suppose que es similar. Es exponential equation que solving using quadratic in front is 55. 55 is 25x minus 8 times 5x equal minus 16. I know that 25 is 5 to the second power. Okay, so we have 5 to the second power raised to the x minus 8 times 5x plus 16 equal to 0. This is 5 raised to the 2x minus 8 times 5 to the x plus 16 equal to 0. And u is equal to 5 to the x, entonces u squared minus 8u plus 16 equal to 0. Entonces the factorization, this is perfect square trinomial. This is two parentheses, es u 4 minus minus. So the answer is u equal 4. It's only one repeated answer. The u is 5x over 4. Apply logarithm on both sides. 55. It's like a logarithm base 5 of 5 to the x is equal to logarithm base 5 of 4. Entonces x is equal logarithm base 5 of 4, and this is the exact answer. You want to compute the value. wait a second. Okay, this is the answer. The answer is logarithm base 5 of 4. And now, if I want to compute the approximate answer using the calculator, you apply the chain of base formula as ln, for example, 4 divided by ln 5 is ln 4 divided by ln 5. The answer is 0.86. 0.861 is 0.861. Okay, 57. Let's see what happened. 57. 57, I saw, wow. 4 is 2 to the second. So we have 3 times 2 to the second raised to the x plus 4 times 2 to the x plus 8 equal to 0. So it's 3 times 2 to the 2x plus 4 times 2 to the x plus 8 equal to 0. Now quadratic from u is equal to the x. Then we have 3u squared plus 4u plus 8 equal to 0. Now let's see quadratic equation. A is 3, b is 4, c is 8. Minus 4 plus and minus square root 16, que is 4 squared, minus 4 multiplication by 3 multiplication by 8 over 2 times 3. This is 16 minus, this is 12. 12 times 8 is 16, carry that 1, 96. 96. 96, when you subtract it, wow, when subtracting is negative. It's negative 80. Entonces square root negative 80 es imaginary. Imaginary answer. Imaginary answer. Okay, si it's imaginary, then we have no real solution. So we cannot continue. The answer is no real solution. We have no real solution in this equation. Okay, let's see then the last The last is 59 of this part. Okay. Okay. Let me copy 59. 59 is 4x minus 10 times 4 minus x equal 3. Negative exponent. Okay. You multiply the entire equation. I don't like a negative exponent. I multiply the entire equation by 4 to the x. Everything by multiplied by that. That is 4 times, raised to the 2x, because 4x times 4x is 4 raised to the x squared is 2x minus just 10, because 4 multiplied by 4 to the negative x is equal 1 over 4 to the x. When you multiply it times 4 to the x, cancels out. This is just the coefficients in front. Equal 3 times 4 to the x. So let me organize this equation, que es quadratic in front equation. 4 2x minus 3 times 4 to the x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay. This is 59. 59. Okay, 59. So let's see the solution. The solution is u is equal 4 to the x. It's a u squared minus 3u minus 10 equal to 0. Then the solution is by factoring. By factoring is easy in this case. Is u is 5 and 2. This is minus and plus. So one solution is 5, another solution is negative 2. So one solution is 4 to the x equal 5, another solution is 4 to the x equal negative 2. In this case, no solution. It's obvious. Exponential never produce negative numbers. And this is apply logarithm on both sides. Logarithm of base 4 of the 4x is equal logarithm of base 4 of 5. This is x is equal logarithm of base 4 of 5. And this is the final answer, the exact final answer. If you want to compute using the calculator, you express this using a standard logarithm, maybe natural. Logarithm of 5 over logarithm of 4. Let's put it in the calculator. Okay, it's logarithm of 5, natural logarithm of 5, divided by natural logarithm of 4. And the answer is 1.161, no? The answer 59 is 1.61. 1 approximately. 1.59 is 1.16161.